Hi, my name is Amboj. I'm the founder and CEO of Popclass. I've previously headed a K-12 school with over 10,000 children.
Hi, I'm Mukesh. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Popclass. I love building consumer apps.
And Popclass is a learn-to-earn app for kids aged 6 to 14. We solve for student motivation. On the app, students can explore the world of Harry Potter or also choose curricular subjects such as math and English.
Popclass gamifies learning through YouTube videos, quizzes, and gifts. Gifts on Popclass range anywhere from bubble toys to PlayStations. Every gift that's redeemed by a child on Popclass needs coins and gems. The child has to earn the coins by learning and practicing on the app. The parents have to buy the gems from us.
And our first 500 users have all been acquired through word of mouth. Our power users use the app for over 4 days in every week and share it with their friends. Our journey has just begun, and we look forward to the summer 2022 batch at Y Combinator.
Hope to see you guys soon.